Creating a forge involves some specific tools and materials to handle high temperatures safely. Here's a basic guide to making a simple coal or charcoal forge. Materials needed: steel container, a steel drum or a thick-walled steel pipe, around 8 to 12 inches in diameter and 18 to 24 inches long, will work. Heat-resistant insulation, refractory bricks or wool, ceramic fiber blanket, to line the inside of the container. Air supply, a hairdryer or a shop vacuum can provide the air supply. Coal or charcoal, fuel for the forge. Steps to build a simple forge. Prepare the container. If using a steel drum, cut it in half lengthwise or at a height that suits your working preference. Ensure it stands steadily and securely. Create an air supply hole. Drill a hole near the bottom of the container to insert the air supply pipe, hairdryer or shop vacuum. Install the insulation. Line the inside of the container with refractory bricks or wool. This will help retain heat and protect the container. Set up the air supply. Insert the hairdryer or shop vacuum hose into the hole, ensuring a tight fit. You might need to create a valve or adapter to control the airflow. Light the forge. Place coal or charcoal inside the forge. Turn on the air supply. Ignite the fuel and let it reach the desired temperature. Safety measures: always wear appropriate safety gear, gloves, eye protection, and heat-resistant clothing. Work in a well-ventilated area, as forges produce smoke and fumes. Use and maintain. Once the forge is lit and at the desired temperature, you can use it for heating metal for forging or other purposes. Regularly clean out ash and debris to maintain the forge's efficiency. Optional improvements: you can add a cover or door to regulate heat more precisely. Using a fire brick or refractory mortar to seal any gaps can improve insulation. Experiment and adjust. Forging temperatures and techniques might require adjustments to airflow, fuel amount, and insulation. Building a forge requires caution, especially when dealing with high temperatures. Always prioritize safety and consider consulting with experienced blacksmiths or metalworkers for guidance if possible.